Hello everyone, today we have a very useful video. If your phone is stuck on pending or throwing a can't install app error every time you try to download something from the Play Store, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to clear out the corrupted background files causing this so you can start downloading apps again immediately. Let's get started. First, open your phone's main Settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Apps or App Management menu to view your full list of installed applications. Find Google Play Services, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache, and simply hit the Clear Cache button. This step is crucial because Play Services is the background engine that runs all Google apps, and wiping its temporary cache fixes hidden connection glitches without deleting any of your important account data. If you don't see it right away, then simply use the search bar at the very top of your apps menu and type in Play Services to jump straight to it. Next, go back to your main apps list and this time look for the actual Google Play Store app. Tap on it, go into the storage section just like before, and this time tap on both Clear Cache and Clear Data. Doing this completely resets the Play Store application, instantly wiping away any broken download loops or stuck pending installations that are actively blocking your phone. Finally, while you are still inside that Google Play Store app info page, look for the Force Stop button and tap it to completely shut the app down. Once the app is forced to close, simply hold down your phone's physical power button and restart your device. When your phone boots back up, the Play Store will generate fresh, uncorrupted system files, allowing your app installations to go through perfectly. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.